First of all, I want to thank you for, for those of you who keep showing up for my father. This is not an easy situation to navigate. The whole family, dako kaayo nga pasalamat sa inyong tanan. It's been, pila na ba ka months? 5 months, yes. 5 months, no? Unya. Wala gihapoy pag-undang suporta and paghigugma ang among nadawat. So daghang salamat sa inyo. I know that I said kanina na my father was okay. He is okay. He sounded lively and sharp as usual. But of course, his situation is not to be taken lightly because he has said that the loneliness does get to him more intensely and more frequently than he'd like to admit. So, ayun, that's why I try to be as persistent as possible because I know that the family, the whole family, and you, all of you, we keep him going. So, maato. With that being said, it keeps him going, the constant communication from to the visits, the calls, and of course my daily letters. So I left The Hague, the first time I left The Hague was April 16, I think. April 16. So I've been writing him daily letters, good, and I have not stopped. So, and he told me that from time to time he does go over them when he gets lonely. And so, Kato, when I visit him tomorrow, at least I can update him na naamo na nandito kayo lahat ngayon. So, I'm sure that he will be very happy and grateful to hear it. Again, daghan kayo salamat sa inyo. Ayun, I will not make this very long na kay I know that all of you are busy also. And gabi na pod, so mga tulog na tatanan. Actually, nagakulot na ni akong buhok diri sa taas kay pasabot ana haggard na pud ko, no. Katugon na pud ko, pero daghang salamat sa inyo. Dili na ko magtagalog kay mabash na sa daan eh. Dili magud ko hawd, pero ayun, maraming salamat sa inyo and I wanted to show up today to show my appreciation for your unwavering loyalty and support and love for President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Daghang salamat gyud sa inyo and I hope dili ta muundang hantud sa makauli siya because kita lang ang iyang hope, no? Kada gabi when he is about to sleep, he told me that all he does, sometimes he looks by the window and he thinks of all the people that love him and all the people that he loves. So, mga kababayan ko, let us keep my Dada Rudy, your Tatay Digong, let us keep him going. Salamat sa inyo.
Duterte! 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 Bring him home! Bring him home!
All of us at The
Bring
Hague.
him home! Bring him home!
All of us at The Hague.
Bigay mo na.